Okay, we got the mouse set in where we want it to go. I think it's going to open and close okay. So we made a couple marks back here where I need to take a little bit out because it's still catching a little bit back here. I've marked up around our block because we're going to screw this block into the side of the head. So I marked here. So what we want to do is we're going to put our eye hooks in here. So we have this one in here. That's for our string. And that one's where we're going to attach our spring to. I've also marked in here where the block goes around, if you can see that, and to this side, because we want to drill a hole in here to screw it in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.